Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to make Papel Picado, and it literally means punched out or perforated paper. So it is a type of folk paper art that you'll find all through Mexico. It is a type of banner that's used for decorations, for celebrations. And since we are celebrating the Day of the Dead at this point, they also use those papel picado to decorate their homes and so forth. So sometimes these decorations are made out of paper, and sometimes you'll see tissue paper, and sometimes you also find them out of plastic. So today I'm going to show you how to cut a papel picado out. There will be 3 folds, and you can always pause the video after each fold to complete the cutting of the paper at that point. So you will need your art bag, and out of your art bag you'll have 2 templates. You have a skull, they're all different papers, and you also have a paper that kind of looks like this. So I have all the 4 colors that you might have. You also need scissors, and you might need a pencil to punch through the paper. So I'm going to show you how to do this one first. What you do is check the word fold on the paper, and by the word fold you see a number. So this is number 1, fold 1, fold 2, fold 3. All right, let's go ahead and start, and notice here it says 1, so you also cut this out with step 1. All right, let me show you how to fold it. The first fold is just in half. Use your finger or your thumb to make it a good fold. Then use your scissors and you cut out all the shapes where you see number 1. And notice you cut out 2 layers at the same time.
Unfold a little bit, so. Unfold a little bit.
So the hardest part might be this. What you do is always cut from the fold up. Oh. I'll turn the paper, not the scissors. All right. The first fold is done. Do not unfold it yet. Now, fold 2. So I just leave the paper like this and fold it in half again. Notice I have these shapes to cut out now. Every time you see 2, now you have 4 layers. You can see all 4 layers. You cut them out at the same time. Always turn the paper. Now you may unfold, so make sure you do that. You unfold and look for the part where it says 3. Here it is. Now watch carefully how I do this next part. I turn it over and you see the crease. Fold this part where you see the 3 to the middle for fold 3. So the 3 shapes with 3 are right on the fold. Now cut out all the shapes that say 3. Notice how I cut these triangles out. I don't turn my paper, I just go up, slant up, slant up. Easiest way to do it. Okay, I am finished with my papel picado. Watch, this is the fun part. Here it is. And now if you cut out more than this, you can just put them up as a decoration. And in Mexico, they'll cut there, you'll see lots of these lined up on a string, and it makes a banner. All right, it's a fun thing to hang in a window because it really shows the pattern. The next part, I want to show you how to just do this, this skull, and it shows this template because of the time of the celebration of the Day of the Dead. So the first part, you can see it's symmetrical. Both sides are exactly the same. You just fold it in half, and you fold it in half the tall way, just like this. And you should see half of your skull. Now, first step, just cut on the lines. Cut this shape out. Cut out the border. Now, you have to cut these out, and that might be a little tricky. This is not so hard. Just start from the fold. Go up, turn the paper to cut out, to keep cutting on the line. Turn the paper all the way around. Now, these parts are hard to start. This is why I said have a sharp pencil. Now watch what I do. You might want to ask for help. I hold the paper tight, and I just push my pencil through the middle, so I have a hole to start from. So I just cut from the hole to the line. Now I can cut out this shape. Cut carefully and slowly and stay on the line. And then you do the same for both of these shapes. Notice it's right in the middle, not on the edge. And I push the pencil all the way through so it's a nice hole to put your scissors inside of. Cut to the line. And cut to the line. And then cut on the line. All right. Now,
show what happens on the other side.
Okay.
So it's almost the same.
So it's almost the same, and you know, you might not have cut exactly because it's not exactly copied the right way, but that's good enough. Now remember, the trick is if you see lines, you just open it up to the part where you don't see the lines. And here's my Papel Picado with this skull. So I think I will hang those up, and I'll show you what it will look like. All right, it is your turn now. Remember, pause the video to complete each step so the folds are not so hard to remember. All right, have fun, boys and girls.